YouTube? Sup YouTube? Sorry, that was a weird start. Sup YouTube? Devin Stevens here, with my friend. Here, introduce yourself.
Brandon Neeses.
All right. So he's riding his dirt bike, or my dirt bike. He's riding it. I don't know.
In the backyard.
So, let's go show him, Brandon. Let's pause the video and let's go show him. Come on, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Sure. I'm gonna have some music to this. But, for you guys, that,
I came right here.
see that rock? All right, watch this video.
Right here, and moved up the walk, and that one flying over the handlebars. I got a cut on my leg, and nasty things right here. It hurts so much.
So, yeah, as you can see here, demonstrate it and start from over there.
Riding, I slipped right here, look at hit, flew over the handlebars and landed on the ground in front of the bike.
Yeah, and
Almost hit that wood pile.
almost see that wood pile right there. So,
It also hurt.
but he's still smiling. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Woohoo! All right, so he's oh gosh, all right. You hope. All right, he's gonna do a little demo of that crash, maybe, but he's not gonna hit it. All right, so he's gonna haul ass back there. It takes him a while to start up, so it's gonna be about 5-10 minutes for him to start up. And oh, hallelujah! Second time. So he's gonna go in there and pause the video and I'm gonna start it. And he's off, guys. Alright, so here he comes. There he is right there. But he missed it.
It's not rock, but the thing is, I'm not going out fast because I don't want to hit it again.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna ride the quad and he's gonna take me. Alright.
Okay guys, we're back. And he got the quad working. I don't know what he's gonna do. He said he's gonna do a freestyle. And I am not hurting anymore. Oh, there's a little baby quail. You kill the quail. I'll kill the quails. It's bad for them. I'm gonna hit that jump. He's gonna hit that jump. Alright. You go take your thing back. I want to jump on the quad. I'm going to get a couple runs around before I get on that dangerous thing again. Start filming.
My arm hurts because I hit that jump. Alright, so guys, he's out there. He's going to do this. I'm going to zoom in on him if he doesn't hit that crate.
I got this! Redneck style.
Wait, turn your lights off. The lights are on. There you go. Oh my god, my arm hurts. Splintered.
Oh my.
He's got this redneck style.
Redneck quad. What the frick? I forgot.
Boom, 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 boom. Alright guys, we're serious now. I can actually see the video screen. Alright, let's go take a look. Water plow.
That freaking pole, it came from the right tire and hit me in the face.
Here we go. Woo!
One more time. This little guy, he's jumping a quad. I don't really prefer quads, but I will ride them. Oh, so tired. Alright, guys. That was that. That's the end of the video. Peace out.